Hi guys, welcome back to today's series on growing your natural hair by doing the Barest Minimum. If you're on a tight budget or just need a simple routine, this one is for you. Today, we are talking on a very important but misunderstood step, and that is how you oil your scalp. Most people do it wrong, and that might be the reason why your hair is always dry, itchy, or not growing as it should. So if you ever wondered if you're oiling your scalp right or the oil to even use, this video is for you. Why should you oil your hair? Your scalp is literally the soil of your hair. Just like plants need healthy soil to grow, your hair needs a nourished scalp to grow. And also, oiling helps reduce dryness, itchiness, and flakiness, and improves blood flow to your hair follicles, which supports hair growth. But here is the catch. Too much oil or using the wrong oil or applying it the wrong way can actually clog your pores and stop growth. Now, these are the signs that you're oiling your scalp the wrong way. 1. Your scalp always feel heavy and greasy. 2. Your hair still feel dry no matter how much oil you use. 3. You are applying oil first without moisturizing. 4. You never massage the oil in. When oiling your scalp, it is important to note: 1. Don't oil your scalp when it is dirty. You are sealing in the dirt. 2. Spritz your hair with water or your DIY hair mist. Don't oil dry scalp. Make sure that your hair is damp before you start oiling. So in the next part of this video, I'll be showing you the right way to oil your scalp.
For easier oiling, part your hair in section. Then you spritz your hair with water. Don't pour water on it, just lightly to get your hair damp. Then you massage the water into your hair. Choose the right oil for your hair type. If you have a low porosity hair, you use a lightweight oil. If you have a high porosity hair, you use a heavyweight oil. You can use a castor oil, a peppermint oil, your tea tree oil, your olive oil, sunflower oil, clove oil, or cheba oil. In this video, I used a clove and rosemary infused oil. Then apply a few drops of the oil directly on your scalp. Don't pour it in, a little goes a long way. When you are done applying the oil on your scalp, then you massage it for 5 minutes. This step boosts blood flow and helps nutrients reach your roots. Use your fingers or a scalp massager. Go in gently in circular motions. Then wrap your hair with a satin scarf or a bonnet to help the oil absorb.
Then, how often should you oil your scalp? If you have a dry scalp, you should be oiling 2 to 3 times a week. But if you have an oily scalp or you're in a protective style, you should be oiling your hair once a week. And then you should listen to your scalp. If it is itchy or flaky, that's a sign. But if it feels coated and suffocated, take a break. What are the benefits of oiling your scalp properly? With consistent proper oiling, you will notice 1. Less breakage, 2. Smoother and softer roots, 3. Stronger strand, and yes, visible growth over time. But remember, oil doesn't grow your hair. It creates the right condition for it to grow. It doesn't grow your hair. If you learned something new today, like and share with someone on their hair growth journey. And in the next video, we will be talking about the simplest protective style to help you retain all the moisture we are building. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. See you in the next video.